guys, it's Kristen, and I'm going to be making slime appear because there's nothing right here. Nothing. So let's make it appear. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So here it is. It appeared. Let's see if I can make them all go back, but keep my favorite one. I'm gonna think real hard to keep my favorite one. 1, 2. Okay, so I only kept one. So let's get down to business. Hold on, I'll come back downstairs. Hi guys, I'm back. So, I don't know where my slime went. I guess I made it disappear. Let's make it come back. Okay. So, 1, 2, 3. Well, it's back. Let's open. Boom. Let's see if it'll just come out by itself. So 1, 2, 3. So let's see. It came out by itself. Still has some beads in it. So that's bad. That just got added back. This is how big it is. I like squishies. This is called light. This is called cloud. Ow. So I'll place them in a minute. The other one is so sticky. It's rainbow. Boom! Rainbows make everything better. Almost everything. Alright, let's get this bad baby out. It's so sticky. Ooh, it's stuck to my hand. Oh, wow. Wow. I need some slime to make it. So let's go to my next slime. Okay, it's here. Alright. So it's not that sticky. I'll place it in a second. Okay. And my slime disappeared again. Let's just wait for it to come back. It keeps disappearing. It's back. So oh, it's warm. Oh, I had it under the sun. Put my other slime up. It's under the sun. That's why it's turning all warm. That's what's called light sky. Let's make it disappear and bring another one in. So 1, 2, 3. So here's my other slime, and it's pretty stupid because my cousin messed it. Pop's good, but it doesn't stretch good. Oh yeah, you should follow me on Musical.ly. It's Kristen79495. And L.E.K. Wilson is my cousin who did this. My other cousin is Annalise Deborah. That's her profile. Or it's Annalise Wilson. There's all sorts of them. So let's make this disappear and bring my 2, 1 slime. So ready, set, go. Hi guys, so this is it. This is close to my last slime. It's pretty good, but it makes holes. It actually stretches pretty good. But this one is kinda broke. So Yeah, let's make this disappear. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now let's think of my next one. Here it is. Y'all should go check out the new show called Hunter Street or Haunted Hat. Or is it Haunted Street? These parents are missing and these kids are trying to find them, so yeah. And this is like my favorite. It's called Blueberry. Blueberry.
I don't know how you ate that crappy food yesterday.
Blueberry burst.
I didn't eat none of it.
No, Kristen, she ate all of it.
It all what?
McDonald's. That thing was undercooked or overcooked.
I know the
Terrible.
The chicken nuggets taste nasty.
Well, they were dry.
Oh, they were overcooked.
They're all soggy and stuff.
So are the fries. Made me sick as hell.
I gave some of it to the dog.
Did it make you sick?
The chicken nuggets made me sick, so I ate.
Yeah, make you like didn't want to eat it anymore.
Yeah,
Like, it felt weird.
they were all soggy.
Y'all should have told me I would have taken back.
McDonald's is horrible at night. No one gives a crap at night. The workers, usually.
I thought my brother was about something, sorry. It was about McDonald's. Don't eat at McDonald's.